Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and I am totally loving my new art by SVRXART that you can see on this wall right behind me. I really appreciate the crisp, clean lines on this canvas, and also something that I wasn't expecting is that the canvas has just a little bit of sparkle to it, adding a lot of visual interest to the art. It's not just the canvases that you get, but it also comes with the hardware to hang them. We had this big empty space on our wall above our couch for 3 years, and I have been really struggling deciding what I wanted to put on this wall. Well, I finally found it and I couldn't be happier. It really ties our room together, and I like the neutral black and beige tones of it because if we do decide that we're going to repaint, redecorate, this art will still go with it. So if you're looking for some unique canvases to hang up on the wall and you're worried about the quality of a print, don't worry with these ones by SVRXART because they look beautiful. And that's my point of view.